Okay, this is the follow-up video to the Borders Group BGP free pick we sent out last night. If you remember, we called we had a couple equal tops here at $1.35 the last couple days. We also had another potential catalyst, excuse me, of $1.40 if it broke this high from about a week ago, and another catalyst if it broke $1.43 from the day that it broke out here. Okay, so we had what we call stacked catalysts, which is why we liked it. And man, it couldn't have worked better. I had a huge day in Borders Group. Hopefully, a lot of you made money as well. Just started knocking down the catalyst. Let me show you an even better entry. As we always say, we're going to follow up with a video to show you what we did and why we did it. Well, yes, our trigger was $1.36. Okay, our first catalyst. Let me show you using 5-minute candles. Bring up my little drawing tool here. Very tight. I mean, all morning this almost did nothing. Very tight base here. Okay. All right, I'll get that out there. And so the tight base had a high of $1.32. And so once the market had already been open well over a half hour, I told the room, I said, I'm taking this if it breaks this base at $1.33. Because the high of daybreak had a good chance of getting us to our first catalyst of $1.36, okay? I mean, it took a little bit, but I took some at $1.33, and when it got up to $1.35, it looked like it was going to hit our second catalyst, I started adding a bunch and ended up with a, because worst case, I said originally, worst case, low of day stop at $1.26. So you're talking about $1.33 entry, $1.26 worst case stop, and that's only about, 7 cents, but the beauty of it was, I probably wouldn't have held it below this base here, okay? So really I was looking at $1.33 entry, worst case stop $1.30. This was a line in the sand for a lot of people, worst case if it broke the low of the day, but it stayed in this tight base for so long that I probably would have killed it at $1.30, which enabled me to take a bigger size, okay? So that's why I started loading up when it got near $1.35 or $1.36, our second catalyst. Ended up with a nice chunk of this one. And then as they started knocking down these catalysts, started selling some, but held a good third or quarter of it for most of the day. Sold the rest of it minus a small bit into this pop, and then sold my last little bit right there at the end of the day in the $1.60s. So very nice percentage gain there. Actually, I think it was like 24% profit potential today. So hopefully some of you made some money on Borders Group. I'm not holding any overnight. I'm very happy with that kind of gain in one day. So I'm going to wrap this up, and I will follow up with a free pick sometime next week. Have a great night.